Alright, I have about a tablespoon of oil in here. And I have about a pound of banana peppers. And I'm going to put these in here and we're going to cook them. We're going to brown them for about 7 to 8 minutes. I also have 2 jalapenos because this recipe calls for like spicy banana peppers. We don't have those, we just have the sweet ones. So I'm adding 2 jalapenos. So just gonna put this in here. And we're gonna saute this up for 8-ish minutes until these start getting little black spots on them, and then we'll be back to add some garlic. All right, this has been going for a little while. I'm gonna add about 2 garlic cloves and let this kind of cook for another 2 to 3 minutes with the garlic, and then we're gonna add some liquid and food process it. For the record, I have not made this sauce before. I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. So, this is going to be me letting y'all know firsthand if this is tasty or not. If this is worth your time. Alright, I put all the peppers in here. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And a 1/2 cup of white distilled vinegar. I say a 1/2 cup, but this is more like 3/4 of a cup. Maybe I won't do all of it. And then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna blend it up and we're gonna see if it is any good. Alright, I tasted it. It's honestly pretty good. It's really hot right now. So, I'm gonna pour it into this mason jar, probably like sloppily. Oh look, too much. Alright, well we have a lot. We have a lot. So, I'm gonna go get another jar. And I'm gonna put a lid on it, put it in the fridge, and we'll try it later. That's that. Change me sides. It's the.
Looks different.
It's not. I mean, it's a quote hot sauce, but it really is.
Is this different than the other stuff you made?
Yeah, the other stuff was cayenne and jalapeno. This is banana pepper and like 2 jalapenos.
Yeah, spicy. Good.
Is it spicy? I didn't think it was that spicy. It's that color because the banana peppers got red. Does it actually taste like a hot sauce?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
It's kind of hot sauce salsa-y, but no tomato.
I feel like I need a little tomato, but
well,
for us all, maybe
it's a sauce.
Yeah,
a hot sauce. They don't really put tomatoes in.
True,
hot
if it's
sauces.
just a hot sauce.
Yeah, so it's like for nachos or tacos or quesadillas or Calvin who
thinks he's always getting something.
Yeah. All right.
No, it's good.
Anyway, Jonathan will eat it.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
100%.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye!